cat is making a weird noise. Toby! What kind of noise is that?
Over, like maybe in front of her. Actually, you should be. Why don't you put Haley behind?
No, Peyton should be up here, and Haley should be over there.
Because Haley's color doesn't match as well. We want the best color.
It's the best I could have. I can only pack like one.
All right, Haley, take the dog. She lost her hat, but she's gotten used to it.
All right, you sit down with your holy knees.
Sit.
Your best shoes are next to Peyton, right?
Sit.
No.
You're gonna have to get as close as you can.
Yeah.
It's gonna be up against the.
Elfie, selfie.
Come on, Brady, let's go inside.
Selfie.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm gonna knock you upside the head.
Strangers, not strange people.
Hello. I'm just in the car, waiting for my car to warm up so I can go pick up my grandma from her house for dinner. I don't know what music I'm gonna do. The struggle of not knowing what music. Ah. Oh, I love this song. It's a script. I love the script. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. We're about a little over halfway through Vlogmas, so yeah. I'm about to head to bed. It's been eventful, kind of, not really. We did our family Christmas picture, and then tomorrow I'm getting contacts, so that'll be fun and cool to see. Or I guess, I don't know, maybe not. I'm not quite sure. I'm excited because I don't have to wear these all the time then. But look who decided to join me tonight to go sleep with. It's Birdie. Birdie. She's a sleepy, lazy dog, so she doesn't really respond.